How to turn off or disable the autoplay previews of trailers on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you, as I said in the title, how you can actually disable if your Netflix app plays trailers automatically without your consent. Now in a way that's a very handy feature, but sometimes you're just bugged by it because you just want to read the info and all of a sudden it starts playing the trailer. So I'll also show you what the issue is. If I just go ahead and launch the Netflix application on my phone, and once I launch Netflix, I'll go to my profile, and as you can see, it will just start playing the trailer right off when I start the application. So if I scroll down a little bit, it'll play the other one. If I just go to other ones, as you can see, just like that. So let's say I want to disable this. So what I will do is I will exit out of Netflix again, and I'll go ahead and relaunch it as well. Now once I relaunch Netflix, do not log in. Just go ahead and tap on the edit button on the top right corner. Once you tap on the edit button, select the profile on which you want to turn off trailer autoplays. So let's say this one, for example. And here you can see at the bottom which says Autoplay Previews is currently turned on all devices. You can just turn this toggle off and then come back again, and now we can go ahead and open up that specific profile, and now you can see it will not begin playing the trailers. As you can see, it just stopped, and now you can go ahead and disable this for all the other profiles that you might want to change to. And that's all it takes to turn off autoplay previews of trailers on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.